A label printer tailored to meet your needs. FX3-LX. Flexible intelligence at your fingertips. Full-color touchscreen allows intuitive operation. An array of features comes in a small package, all geared to print 3-inch labels. Take it anywhere with a battery. And charge it easily on a cradle. You can even mount it on a wall to save space. Optional accessories let the FX3-LX fit any use. Replace expendable parts without using tools. Adjust the label guide to fit a variety of roll sizes. Load labels with ease, simply by dropping the roll in. And use linerless labels to print waste-free. And 40% more from a single roll, saving the time to replace rolls. Expand possibilities connecting with a variety of peripheral devices via Bluetooth or wireless LAN. It displays menu in 31 languages and prints in 47. FX3-LX is impact resistant and splash-proof to weather the toughest environments, and work in hygienic settings with a display that can be wiped clean. Plug a USB flash drive to copy or save settings, or clone additional printers. SATO's application-enabled printing platform allows the device to be used as a PC-less, online, or standalone printer. SATO offers genuine consumables to meet the needs of your work site. Store your label layouts and data on the cloud in your very own storage space. To update your printers anytime, wherever they are. SATO's cloud-based service can keep track of your printer's status 24/7 to offer preventative maintenance and expert servicing. A smart printer to meet the changing times. FX3-LX. Flexible intelligence at your fingertips.